Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Nongelam jong kaliang persya kayeng dorbar thawaan ke Jylla Dr. Mukul Sangma ulapan pau ba upriang sobha ya karai ban IT ya kajing Tohkit ha ka Central Bureau of Investigation CBI Halor ka jingkeno Jyrsieh Bamsap ha ka Jylla bat ongru ba ka jingpen kerja kam kha iki officer ha ka Jylla ka don bentalang ha ka ni ka kam ha ka jing keren bigila pathai kubor ha ka arpho terik kulalengkot arjar arpho Dr. Mukul Sangma bulalong tengru menteri rang ba jong ka Jylla ula ong ba ka ni kamat kami ada tek tang bat ka jingti ne ka jingsalan ba nyau dewyong henry wat ha ka Jyrsieh Bamsap ha ka Jylla ka bala sedang ban pau perthai berngot ha ka ju kapor lapen pau ru bau pediang sobhaya ka hukum bala penmi dangshan da ka Meghalaya lokayukta ban Tohkit Halor ka Bamsap Bampong ha ka Jylla.
In the house and outside the house, we have been constantly drawing the attention of the government, cautioning the government, asking for action on such illegalities that has been going on. And it was not confined to only illegal transportation of coal or illegal mining of coal. It has been on other issues as well and other alleged corruption engaged by the government. Not just one. But the irony is that there has been a prompt denial on these issues, even though we repeatedly try to draw the attention of the government. We continue to tell them that, look, this is what is happening. And I have seen lots of write-ups being carried by media, lots of concern being shared through social media. I think it's known to everybody. It has been blatant. It has been blatant because it has been known to everybody. You know it, I know it, everybody knows it. Whoever are concerned, whoever are a little bit watchful, they know it. So therefore, the level of blatantness with which this whole corrupt practice is going on, with the whole patronage of the leadership, is condemned. And I am going to share with you my concern that it is not confined to these Jyrsieh alone. It goes across the state. It is not confined to coal alone. It goes beyond coal mining, the corrupt practices. I have questioned a number of times on the whole conspiracy that has been engaged in this corruption. And the conspiracy has resulted into victimization of the officers who did not comply. The officers who did not respond to their dictates to engage in this whole conspiracy, they were victims. You go one by one since after 6th of March 2018. How many officers have been posted and transferred, posted and transferred, and posted and transferred? For whose interest? Because whenever an officer, a government employee of any level is posted or transferred and posted, it is in the interest of public. There is no other purpose. Therefore, all these transfers and posting, it has got linked to this whole manipulation and criminal conspiracy. See, we are the author of that Lok Ayukta Act. It is also a culmination of the felt need of the people of the state. So it was a collective call which culminated into this legislative exercise. And this legislative exercise again had the whole involvement of various stakeholders. There have been long-drawn engagement even before this whole legislative exercise culminated into introduction of the bill in the August House. There was a complete engagement, and we had the privilege of being part of that engagement, and we have been also privileged to being part of the team who brought in this bill and got it passed in this August House in response to the voice of the people, the call of duty that was in sync with the desire of the people, the intent of the people. And the provisions that's kept there, the whole decision of the Honorable Lok Ayukta is inconsistent with that. So that is how people have wanted, that in the event of such instances of alleged corruption, then how expeditiously the matter can be investigated and how, without having any chance of being influenced by the government that may be of the day. Because the Lok Ayukta provides any allegation of corruption which covers all categories of government employees other than the bottom at grade 4, and also all the members belonging to political class, including the MLAs, ministers, the chief minister, and the members of the district councils. So it covers everybody. And when an alleged corruption which is alleged to be due to the patronage of people in power, then obviously you'll have to see that the Lok Ayukta is mandated by the provision of the law itself to engage an independent body for whole investigation. And this is exactly what the Honorable Lok Ayukta is doing. And then we look forward to see the truth to prevail.